In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix "it's time to close Instagram" problem. And if this video does help you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on and liking the video, as it does mean a lot to the channel. So now you might have gotten this error where it says it's time to close Instagram, and you could use it again after 11:59 p.m. So there is a few easy ways which you could go ahead and do to fix this, because I know this is a lot happening to a lot of people. So this is a pretty common bug, but it's pretty easy to fix. So to go ahead and fix this, one thing that you can go ahead and do is try switching Instagram accounts. That is one thing you could do. Try switching Instagram accounts. Another method, you could also go ahead and basically restart the Instagram app. You could also update the Instagram app. And then the other method which you can go ahead and do is go on Instagram on the web browser or your PC. And if you're on the web browser or your PC and it's not working there, try it on the mobile app. So those are a few ways to fix it. Another way is to just go ahead and wait it out, and the issue should be fixed eventually. But it is pretty simple, so hopefully you did find this video helpful, and that is about it. Peace out.